Hello guys, welcome to Fabric by Singhania. If you're still looking for an inspo for your anarkalis, we've got the perfect set of fabrics in anarkalis that you can customize into, and they are in different varieties and shades. Starting off with this very elegant kalamkari fabric, the base fabric that we've used here is a beautiful raw silk which is perfect for a pen kalamkari look. All of this is handcrafted, hand painted on this beautiful raw silk fabric. You can create a perfect and authentic kind of anarkali for yourself, very flowy and very lightweight, and all of this kalamkari that you see here is really beautiful. So with every wash this looks even more pretty, and the smell of it is really nice, and it is just the perfect fabric to create any kind of outfits in your mind, especially if you want to create a beautiful anarkali. So here we have this very nice pastel shade, very light color orange tussar fabric. This is perfect if you're looking for a more minimal and subtle look for yourself. All over this you can see this beautiful light gold zari work that has been done and embroidery work in nice floral prints, and this is all across the fabric in nice patches kind of work, which gives a very elegant and beautiful effect to the fabric. It is perfect if you want to create a nice flowy anarkali for yourself or a long kurta as well and create a beautiful suit set. Now another fabric that we've selected here is a nice textured raw silk fabric with beautiful Parsi work embroidery. Now Parsi work embroidery is quite popular here, and we've got an amazing collection of these fabrics in amazing shades too. One of which is this beautiful bold color, black color fabric. Now this is perfect for creating a very elegant and bold look if you want to create an anarkali with it. For any kind of sangeet events or receptions too, you can create a great and a very grand anarkali with this kind of fabric, and the Parsi embroidery is timeless, so everybody is gonna love it either way. And all of the embroidery work over it is in a nice shade of white, so the white and black combination gives a beautiful contrast. So here we have this nice pink red kind of shade of raw silk fabric, and the base color is also very beautiful. This also is the perfect and the most ideal fabric for creating a gorgeous anarkali for yourself. All over this you can see this light orange color embroidery work done in floral embroidery, which makes it look very elegant and would give you a nice princess look if you want to go for. And the color too is really nice, so it would suit any kind of complexion and really make it look very vibrant. Now another color and the fabric that we've selected is a beautiful satin Banarsi fabric. Now satin Banarsi also is quite lightweight here because of the satin. It's very soft and it feels very smooth on your skin, and Banarsi being really traditional and authentic, it will never go out of style. So this color is very beautiful. It's in a nice pastel blue color, and all over this you can see this grid-like pattern in a nice light gold zari weaving, and across it you can see the red and green motifs that have been done all over it, which is in a nice design. And the border work is also quite minimal, yet it looks really elegant. So if you want to create a beautiful long kurta or an A-line dress too, or an anarkali, this pastel blue color would look really beautiful. Now here I've selected this very pretty Banarsi fabric. This is a very nice Banarsi silk which is very elegant, and the colors are also quite calming yet very legal because of the red and cream contrast, which looks very beautiful. Now the border here is in a rich red color, and all of the work that has been done on it is in a beautiful gold zari weaving, which looks really charming. And across it you can see on the body that we have got very nice cream shade, and over that gold zari work. The contrast over here and the shine that it gives looks really gorgeous and beautiful. So entirely the fabric together is perfect to customize an anarkali or any kind of kurtis that you have in mind if you want to stand out and have a really grand look for yourself for any kind of event. Now here we've selected this really nice dark pink kind of Banarsi fabric, and all over this you can see this heavy brocade work that has been done, which makes it look very beautiful. Now it's a very simple kind of border over here because of the body being really grand. So if you want to create a nice anarkali or even a jumpsuit if you want to create for an Indo-Western look, this Banarsi fabric would look really beautiful. Now another fabric that we've selected here is a nice glass tissue kind of fabric, which is really different and unique here. We've got an exclusive collection in this in 4 beautiful shades, one of which is this fabric. Now I've selected this color because this would go in any kind of event, be it a morning event or a night one. And all over this you can see this beautiful paithni kind of design that has been done, silver zari weaving that has been done, and the entire fabric together looks really perfect to create any kind of anarkalis. Even if you want to create a nice modern outfit out of these kind of fabrics, it would look perfect. We've got a beautiful shade of pastel blue too, which would look just amazing to customize into any outfit. Earlier we showed you a nice raw silk fabric in kalamkari. Now this is a beautiful silk fabric. It's a little bit more falling, and all over this you can see this beautiful pen kalamkari which has been done, and it looks really gorgeous and authentic. All of these colors are quite nice, and the base color being blue makes it look even more vibrant and beautiful. And all over this you can see the colors of reds, greens and yellows, which makes it look even more bright. The entire fabric is perfect to create a suit, kurti or even an anarkali. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit a like and subscribe to our channel Fabric by Singhania. If you want to follow us on our social media pages, you can follow us at Fabric by Singhania. And if you want to know more details about our fabrics, you can comment down. Or if you want to know more about our customization options, you can come down to our store at Banjara Hills Road number 1.